Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, I am going to be teaching you how to install the Windows Peak M hairline using hair from Ali Pearl. The hair comes with all these goodies. The hair is 24 inches, 250% density. Look at the quality of this hair. I love it so much. I love the lace. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It already comes to you already customized into an M-shape hairline, of which I love so much. It's similar to the type of hairline I have, so most definitely it is going to be easy for me to install this wig. Step number one, you need to fit the wig. To be quite honest, I love the lace of this hair. It was easy for me to work with, so I used my spray. I did only 2 layers. Also this glue, it is super easy to use this glue, only 2 layers, and when it sticks, it sticks. After spraying your first layer, you need to dry it with cold air. And then you want to come in with your second layer. It depends on you guys. If you want your wig to last longer on your head, you can put more layers, but I only went for 2 layers. See this hairline, it was so easy for me to work with. Honestly, this is one of the easiest installs I've ever done. It's because of the way the hairline has been customized. It is similar to my natural hairline, so I was so happy when Ali Pearl sent me this hair. It is so gorgeous. I love it so much. I love the knots of the hair. They're already pre-bleached and also pre-plucked, and then after applying your 2 layers, the second layer, you make sure that it is tacky, it is not completely dry like the first one, and then you stick down your lace. While you stick down your lace, you also use cold air to stick down the lace. Also make sure that you arrange the knots of the hair by constantly combing the hair so that no hair sticks to the glue. And then now you want to go ahead and take your melting band. I got this cute melting band from Ali Pearl. Oh my goodness, it came with the hair. So you let the melting band stay for like a few minutes on your head, and then once you're done, you can just remove it. I was already happy with the result. Imagine I haven't cut the lace yet, but already I was seeing the vision. And then you want to go ahead and cut the lace, the excess lace, of course. Cut it in zigzag motion, because when you cut it straight, the lace will not like melt. But if you cut it in zigzag, it will just blend in nicely with your skin. So yeah. Also customize it. Make sure that your ear is comfortable. You cut out the part where you need to put your ear. And then to melt your lace, you want to go ahead and take your glue and spray it on a surface, and then dip a brush in there, and then you melt it exactly as I am doing. But if you have a melting spray, you can use that as well, but I just prefer using the glue. And then you take your cold air and then you dry it exactly as I am doing, and then when you are done drying it, you melt it again with your melting band. And then it's time to straighten the hair. You want to go ahead and take your heat defense to protect your hair from heat. One thing I've always done was to damage my hair using heat directly without applying a heat protector. So recently I've been applying heat protector to protect my hair from getting damaged. So it's very important that you get a heat protector. You apply it before you put heat on your hair. So same applies to your natural hair. You can't put heat without putting like heat defense. Look at the texture of this hair. I am so happy. I love it so much. I love it so much, and I believe it looks good on me. And then to blend the lace with my skin, I took a lace tint, rather, not a skin tint, it's a lace tint, yes. And then you apply it on the lace. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this hairline. I love this hair. The texture of this hair, oh my goodness. It is so silky. It is so full. It's 250 density after all. Look at that. I love it so much. And then I had my Beyonce moment. As you can see, I felt myself right here. I felt so gorgeous. And then I had to change my top into like a brown top so that you can see properly the length of the hair and also the texture of the hair. Look at that. Look at how long the closure length is. Normally the hairs of the closure are not as long as the hair, but look at this. It's not the same length, but it's almost equal. And then I went ahead and styled the hair. I had to do a hairstyle. I had to test a hairstyle with this hair because there was no way I was just gonna let this hair just straight. No, I just needed to style it. So I went ahead and sectioned out bangs. And then I went ahead and tied my back ponytail. Please do let me know what you guys think of this hair. I love it. I feel like it looks good on me, and I believe it would look good on you as well. I love it. I love the hairline. I love the lace. I love the quality of the hair. I love everything about the hair. Thank you so much for watching. The link to shop the hair and all the details you need to know about the hair are listed on the description box. Please do check the description box. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you on the next coming video. Bye.